Hello, my name is Carla Moore and I blog at MooreTalkJa.wordpress.com, and sometimes late at night I read poems to my computer screen, and sometimes, but more rarely, I will post those things to YouTube, which might be what is about to happen now. So this poem is called Now Go, and I will explain the motivation behind the poem after, in case there are people who just want to hear the poem and not necessarily hear my rant. um, I wrote it December of last year, so December 2011. So without further ado, now go. If you think you love them, do it. Do what you have to do to be with them, but don't steal the moments. Clear the way, get out of your own way, and with sweet breath kiss them. The time is too short. The year ends. The years end. We all end eventually. Frenetic, chaotic, all the why nots in the world don't matter anymore. Eventually, you get the one life, one chance. Maybe you're lucky, maybe you get another try, but maybe not. Don't waste it. Just go to them, go for them, sleep with them at night and hold their hand in the daylight and smell their skin and memorize the way that they laugh. I'm not sending you to take what is not to be yours. I am sending you to follow the truth you already know. Be kind. Be clear. Be where you want to be. Time is not enough for anything else. Be where you want to be to the exclusion of all others. Give yourself completely and receive it in return. Days end. End of days. Always ending. Time passes too quickly. You will never have enough time with the person that makes time fly when you're around them. So start now. Start forever. Start for the next 2 weeks. Just start, go to them on winged feet. Go to where your heart is. Be whole, be happy, be where your heart is. Moments are mere markers for where heartbeat should be. Count them in the presence of someone who makes them concrete, who turns your moments into monuments. Go to them. So the motivation behind this, I'm one of those people who still believes in love. I mean, the madness of love that a lot of people laugh at nowadays. I still believe in it. I believe that love is a thing that is supposed to have purpose and it's supposed to fulfill you and it's supposed to honor you and all of these things. But I believe that love is a thing that's supposed to consume you. Anything less doesn't make sense. I think at least for the first few years, when the person that you love walks into the room, you shouldn't be able to focus on anything else. You should just lose your mind completely, because this thing that makes you so happy has come into your presence, and once again you have remembered the joy that they bring to you. And I find that we run from that now. It's like we're all so consumed with being in control of our own lives and needing to be able to monitor and mitigate our own reactions to things, that people who elicit certain types of uncontrollable reactions in us, we stay away from them and we choose to be with somebody who we get most of the reaction, but we can still pull back when needs be. I guess it's a defense mechanism, so the person will never be able to hurt us that much because we always have the ability to withdraw. I guess if we love someone too much and we're too connected to them, we can't pull back. But I don't agree with that. I think that the point of your life is to live it to the fullest. For want of a better term, it needs a buck. And I think if I'm going to be with someone, it has to be someone that I feel like I can't live without them. Mentally, like in a mental connection with them, physically being in the same space with them, or whichever one out of those two wins out, because there are some people that I've accustomed to being around them, so physically I can't step away from them, but there are other people that mentally I'm always engaged with them regardless of who's in my physical presence, and whichever one wins out. But I think that we should open ourselves and give ourselves over to having that experience even once, and we need to stop being so timid. I think we all need to learn how to be bold in love, and if you try and it doesn't work, then it just doesn't work. Move on. It hurts, and nobody said that life will be painless, but what I can guarantee you is that your life will be lackluster if you go after anything less. So that's where this poem came from. It's like a call to arms for the people who still believe in the type of love that I believe in. And just go. But be respectful and be careful as well. It's not telling you to go and mash up anybody's relationship. It's not telling you that if somebody is with or belongs to somebody else that you have the right to them because you have this type of feeling. You have to consider all of the humans in a situation. But if things are clear and you can, or if you can make things clear, then go to where your heart is. You know, if only for a time. Try it. It's worth it to you in the long run, in my opinion. I could just be a crazy girl on Facebook, but I believe what I say. So try it. Bye bye. Subscribe to MooreTalkJa.